Alright guys, now we are with John Bollinger and we are asking about, Santoso asking about the moving average in the Bollinger. So the question is, John, whether we need to modify that or we can just use the default parameter from the Bollinger band.
So the defaults are 2 and 20. That's a calculation length of 20 periods, and bandwidth of plus or minus 2 standard deviations.
Okay.
So if for most things, those are a really good place to start. And I don't think you'll find very much difference if you go to 18 or 19 or 21 or 22. The numbers are pretty robust. The only time that you really need to change the lengths are to get a longer-term view.
Okay.
One might want to go out to 50 periods
to
get a long-term view. But the easy way to do that is to leave the numbers at 20 and change
the time frame.
Change the time frame from daily to weekly. So I prefer to change the time frame from daily to weekly and keep the defaults at 20 and 2. But there's no, if you feel that you want to look, more detail and such, you can go up to about 50 before it doesn't start.
So basically the upper band is for the signal that we are preparing for the profit taking because of the reversal or something?
No, at least from my point of view, I have a different way of thinking about it. I say that by definition, when we're at the upper band, price is high, and by definition, when we're at the lower band, price is relatively low. Then we can use that information to find out whether we should be taking profit or whether we should be making buys or sells. But just touching the band in and of itself doesn't mean it's a buy or a sell.
So we have to combine that with an indicator like oscillator or?
Oscillators or pattern matching or trailing stops or you just have to bring more to the party.
Okay.
It's true for any trading band.
And it can be used for any market, right? It doesn't have to be stocks.
I mostly use them on stocks, but I know people that use them on foreign exchange and the futures markets, on pairs trading, very wide. They're even used in industry and in aviation safety.
Wow. Okay. For the data and using Bollinger brand for reference, right?
Yeah, to analyze the
All
data.
right. So that's from John Bollinger. Thank you very much, John. I really appreciate that. And all of the viewers coming from Asia, especially Indonesia.